Hello everyone, I am Pavan Kumar Malik from Birla Public School, Pilani, Department of Mathematics, Chapter 9. Today's topic is multiplying a monomial by another polynomial. Learning objectives. At the end of this video, students will be able to multiply a monomial by a binomial and a trinomial. Second objective is simplify the given expressions by the combination of multiplication and addition. Example 1. Find the product of 2x into 3x plus 5xy. Product means we have to multiply. Means this 3x plus 5y, this is a binomial, will be multiplied by 2x, which is a monomial. It means multiplying means you have to open the bracket. So here what will happen? Let's see carefully. First of all, this 3x will be multiplied by 2x, and then 5xy will be multiplied by 2x. Means 2x will multiply 3x as well as 5xy, then the bracket will be open, and if simplification is possible, we'll further simplify, otherwise that will be the product. So let's see how it is done. We have to open the bracket multiplying by twice x. So it will be here 2x will multiply 3x. When 2x and 3x they are multiplied, it will be 2 3s are 6, and x multiplied by x, it will be x squared, because here power of x is 1, which is hidden, power is x is 1 here, nothing means 1 is there. So in multiplication powers are added, so x raised to the power 1 into x raised to the power 1, it will be x raised to the power 2, which we call x squared. And after that here plus into plus, plus 2 into 5, it will be 2 5s are 10, and again x multiplied by x will be x squared and y. So 6x squared plus 10x squared y is the product of the given expression. Now let's see another example. Example number 2. Find the product of 3p into 4p squared plus 5p plus 7. Here also we'll follow the same process. That is, the bracket will be opened, multiplying 4p squared by 3p, again 5p by 3p, 7 by 3p. So let's see how it is done. Now here 4p square will be multiplied by 3p. After that 5p will be multiplied by 3p, and 7 also will be multiplied by 3p. Then only the bracket will be open. So let's see how they are multiplied. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. P into p squared is equal to p cube, because here power of p is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now this 3 into 5, it will be 15, and p into p, it will be p squared, plus 3 into 7, it will be 21p. So 12p cubed plus 15p squared plus 21p is the product of the given expression. We'll take few more examples, then the things will be clear. Example 3. Add 5m into 3 minus m and 6m squared minus 13m. So this is the combination of multiplication and addition. How it is? Because you see here this 5m, this expression 5m into 3 minus m, this is not in the simplified form. So once it is simplified, then only it will be easier to add. So how will you simplify this? For this we know that we have to open the bracket. 3 and minus m both will be multiplied by 5m separately, and then we'll write this expression as it is, because this is already simplified. Then we'll add. So let's see how things will be done. We have to open the bracket multiplying by 5m. So here you see the things are multiplied like this. 5 multiplied by 3, 15m, plus into minus, minus 5m into m, it will be 5m squared, because power is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 6m squared minus 13m. Now next step. 15m minus 5m square as it is, and this this and you see here, this and is replaced by, this and is replaced by here plus sign, because we are going to add both the expressions. So the and is replaced by plus sign, and 6m squared minus 13m, they are written as it is. So now we'll follow the process of simplification. And is replaced by plus, and I have shown in the box here. This now 15 6m squared minus 5m squared. 6m squared minus 5m squared is m squared, and after that here 15m minus 13m is equal to twice m. So this is the most simplified form. Further it cannot be simplified. So this is how we add. Now next, this is the last example, example 4. Add 4y into 3y squared plus 5y minus 7 and 2 into y cubed minus 4y squared plus 5. So in this case also both the brackets will be opened, multiplying by 4y and 2 respectively. We have to open the bracket multiplying by 4y and 2 respectively. So I will show you here. 4y multiplied by 3y squared is equal to 4 3s are 12, y into y squared is y cube. After that 4 into 5 20, y into y, y squared, and then plus into minus, minus 4 7s are 28, y, and after that here also the bracket will be open. So 2 into y cubed, it will be 2y cubed, minus 2 into minus 4y squared, plus into minus, minus 2 4s are 8y squared, and after that plus into plus, plus 2 5s are 10. Now both the expressions will be added. That I will show you in the next step. Writing the expressions in rows we get. We know that in addition or subtraction, always we prefer to write the expression in rows. Then it will be easier. Either we have to subtract or add. So here also we are going to write the expressions row wise. So this is the first expression, that is, you can say it is first row. Now second row will be written just below it. But remember, while writing, like terms will be kept together. We cannot keep the terms randomly. So 2y cubed and 12y cubed, they are like terms, they have been kept together. Minus 8y squared, 20y squared, they are like terms, they have been kept together. And 10 is unlike terms, that's why it is written separately. So here what is done? Like terms are kept together. Now we'll simplify. So these two will be added. These two will be added. Here 12y squared plus 2y cube, they will be they are added, so it is 14. And after that here 20y squared minus 8y squared, they will be subtracted, because opposite signs we always subtract, so they will be subtracted here. And this minus 20 or 28y, this is unlike term, will be written separately, or as it is you can say, and plus 10 is also unlike term, it will be written as it is. So let's see here now. So 20y squared minus 8y squared is 12y squared, minus 28y as it is, plus 10 also as it is. So this is the simplified form of the given expressions. So I hope that you might have understood. We'll take a few more examples in the next class. Thank you very much indeed.